Welcome back. You are watching The Gadget Show. And now it's time to unbox a brand new gadget, courtesy of Miss Georgie Barrett. And Georgie, like you, this appears to be small, yet perfectly formed.
Very, very kind of you. But actually, I would say this gadget is a little bit more like you.
It's really annoying?
No, compact, clever,
Hey.
innovative,
Hey.
durable,
Woohoo.
rhythmic,
Hey!
and a bit of an oddball.
Hang on, what?
Well, it's actually called Oddball. Let's have a little look inside, because it is ultimately a bouncy ball with a drum kit inside.
Oh, this I've got to see.
So it links up to an app, and then every time you hit it, it plays a beat.
Wow.
Very clever. OK, we can actually record our own sounds as well, so I thought maybe I'd get you to record one into our little mic here.
Oh, wooga!
Beautiful. Such a natural. OK, give it a hit.
Oh, wooga!
Beautiful.
Well, hey.
Beautiful.
Oh, wooga!
OK, so it's at £89 and it's out in a couple of months. But the beauty of it is that if you get good at it and you link it up with other balls, you can sort of turn it into some kind of performance art.
OK.
Which we'd be absolutely useless at.
Fair enough.
But luckily, Pasquale is here, who is one of the inventors.
Hey!
Hello.
Hi, Pasquale. And he's going to show us what we can aspire to.
Exactly.
Exactly.
So I have a kick on this ball, and I'm gonna put a snare on this one.
OK.
And you can do beat like. In the app, you can loop it. So
Okay.
I'm gonna try to do a little loop with it. So the basic beat is going.
Yes.
And then I can kind of change. This is a hi-hat. And with the intensity of the bounce, I can play different variation of it. So I can overlay on top of this, right?
OK. Wow. OK, can you play instruments on it at all?
That's my next point.
Oh, come on then.
So you can also play melodic instrument. That's the beauty of it, because it makes it very easy to play notes with it based on the intensity.
Yeah.
So in this one, on the pink one right now, I have a synthy
what about
instrument.
this one?
And on that one, I'm going to put a piano.
Okay.
So you guys can have fun with it.
Okay.
I can let the beat go.
Ooh. Ooh, mysterious.
Yes.
Come on, John, you can catch
The rhythm
it.
and skill on show here is enviable, to say the least.
Have you got a third ball?
Third ball. Here he is.
Wow.
Hey, hey! Oh!
The peak of your career right there, Craig.
It seems like real fun, though. What do you think?
I think it looked great fun.
Yeah, a real innovative way of getting involved in music.
Well, thank you, guys. Drum roll, please.